guys, Julie here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a massive Dollar Tree haul, mostly fall decor. It's probably one of the largest Dollar Tree hauls I've ever done. I got a little carried away, but I have like a million ideas in my head that I want to make projects or they just had really cute stuff that I wanted for my fall decor. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to share with you actually some summer. They still had like a very small section of summer stuff that I grabbed because I love using the plain, I don't even know what this is, I guess it's kind of wood, like a press board, for different projects. So I picked up two of these arrow ones, picked up these two, and I picked up this one. Again, it's just plain board, so there's so many different things that you can do with this. So I picked those up. I also picked up one of these metal wreath forms. And I'm actually super excited. I've kind of planned it out in my brain. I'm hoping it will work the way I want, but I have an awesome project for this. Something very different. I've never seen anyone else do it, so I'm super excited. Hopefully that works out. Doesn't mean no one's done. I just haven't never seen anyone do it. I picked up a couple of the circle mirrors. They had a few of these. I actually picked up another one, but I already kind of took it apart. But they had a few different designs of these. They're wooden boxes, like decorative. It's funny because the hanger's actually here, but if you hung it like that, it wouldn't even be right. But I'm going to do something different with it anyway. So I picked up a couple of these. I picked up, ooh, that didn't sound good. I picked up, I think I picked up a couple of these baby blankets. I think I picked up two of these baby blankets. I've seen a lot of DIY projects, and I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with it yet, but when I saw some of the projects online, I was like, I have to use this for something, so I'm going to come up with something for that. I picked up this glass circular cutting board. I picked up one of these small white plates. And I also picked up one of the dinner plates of the same set. I picked up a couple of baskets. This black one, circular, it's got a couple handles. I've got a couple ideas for these baskets, but even if I wasn't making them over, they're actually pretty cool the way they are for $1. I have baskets almost identical to this from TJ Maxx, and they were like $7.99 for a set of two. So this is a good deal. And this one's kind of like a tray basket. Also black. I picked up 3 of these wood blend wreaths. I picked up this silver charger platter. They had gold. I think they had another one, but I picked up the silver. And I also picked up a few of these. I have not tried these, but the LED wired lights from Dollar Tree, I've not tried, but I'm going to try them and see if I like them. I picked up a couple of the gold ones and one of the silver ones. I picked up these 2 glass candle jars. I picked up 2 of these straw bales. I picked up a clipboard for a DIY project. And I picked up, my daughter was with me and she saw these 2 cactus decorative pieces. And if you guys didn't already see the room makeover I did for my daughter, these go perfect for her room, so she asked if I could pick these up. I also grabbed a foot file. It's still summer and I needed one. Then I picked up 3 of these, what are they called? Adhesive Coverings, shelf drawer liners. They're washable, durable, easy to apply, and removable. I got the one that is, it's kind of like a dark wood grain. My Dollar Tree runs out of these a lot, so I have no idea what I'm doing with them, but I grabbed one of each of them. This one's kind of the lighter shade, And then this one is a pattern, like a teal and white pattern. And I grabbed that one. I got one of these splatter screens. Here's the other blanket. I did get another blanket. I picked up 2 of these Father's Day frames with the clips at the top. This one's got a wooden background. This one's red and black check. I picked up, I think, 4 of these total. Yes, some of these black and white check thankful signs. I think there's 4. Maybe I only got 3. I may have only got 3, I guess. I grabbed a car wash sponge, some fall ribbon. They have a lot of fall ribbons right now, really cute ones. This one's got some oranges and browns and burgundies in it. I picked up these cones. These are actually for Vacation Bible School, not for a DIY. But now that I think about it, they might work for a DIY, so I might, after VBS, use them. I picked up a couple of these white decorative pumpkins. They have little wires on the back so you can attach them just like you would flowers. I grabbed a couple of these. I don't think I'm going to make these over. These are just really cute white velvet pumpkins. Kind of don't like the stem, so maybe I'll paint the stem or something, but for the most part I like these ones as is. I found these corn on the cob decorative pieces. They only had a few, and I don't recall seeing them last year, so I grabbed 2 of them. I picked up this white pumpkin. It's ceramic. Some more ribbon. A glitter pumpkin. This one's just a foam orange pumpkin. This is another white ceramic pumpkin. They had these last year. I picked up some of these from the Target Dollar Spot. These are actually a little bit bigger and heavier for only $1. And they were like $3 at Target last year. I picked up this metal Thankful and Blessed decorative piece. It's not really a sign because there's no way to hang it, but I picked that up. I also grabbed this paddle cutting board. Now they had a few different kinds of these. They also had colored leaf burlap, or not burlap, colored leaf pieces that you could make. I don't really know what they're for. Oh, they have like floral picks attached to them too, so these can be used in wreaths or flower pieces, or I don't know, they can be used for all kinds of things. I picked up the 2 different shapes of the burlap ones. I picked up this sign. Here's the other. These are the copper LED wire lights. I picked up 2 of those. I picked up 2 of the black and white check scarves. These can be used for so many different projects. I picked up these. These are pumpkin clips. 3 orange ones. You can see they just have clips on the back. I picked up, they had all 3 colors. There's an orange, a black, and then these cream ones. I didn't really like the orange or the black, so I picked up 3 of these. They just say gather with grateful hearts. And I picked up 2 of these glass candle holders. They're the shortest size that they had of this kind. Oh my goodness, I have a lot more here. They have some different burlap pumpkins. I picked up the tan, and I don't really know what color this is. It's kind of like a burnt orange kind of tan color. Another glitter pumpkin. Some more of the orange foam pumpkins. And here's another of the velvet pumpkins. This one's orange. And then I picked up several more of these ceramic pumpkins with the gold stems. These ones are foam, but they're white. I got 2 of those. I also picked up the white version of the clip pumpkins. Another one of the fall signs. Another ribbon. This one's orange with a gold pattern. And I picked up 2 of the orange decorative pumpkins, the ones that have like the floral wire on the back. And then I picked up a whole bunch of florals. They actually had some pretty nice florals. Sometimes their fall florals aren't great. But I did find some that I really liked. So I picked up a couple of the bunches of maple leaves. I got 3 of those. Some fall picks. I got the sunflower. I got this one. Sort of looks like the shape of a peony. I'm not exactly sure what that flower is. A couple of those. Another sunflower. And then some of these pine cone picks. A couple of these. I also picked up some of the red, it says Queen Anne's lace. They had orange, I think brown, and then the red color. I picked up the red, 3 of the red ones. 2 bunches of the white mums. They're not really pure white. They're like an off-white color. And then, oh, and another floral pick. And I have cotton coming out of my stuff here. But I saw these last year on different different YouTube channels for DIYs. And my store did not carry any of these cotton florals. So I grabbed 5 of them for now, but honestly, when I go back to Dollar Tree, I'll probably grab more because the cotton parts I like for different seasons. I also like them for the spring and the winter, not just for the fall. So these pine cones look kind of cheesy, actually. I don't know if you can see that. They're very plastic. I don't know how much I like the pine cone part of it, but really I bought them for the cotton stems. So that is everything. That was a massive haul. I think I probably have 100 items. So this was roughly $100. A very big Dollar Tree haul. If what I do with this stuff is interesting to you, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss the DIYs coming up in the future and how I use some of the pieces to decorate my home for fall. I really appreciate you guys watching this. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.